My name's Dave Lockwood, and this is Angie Lockwood, my wife. We do this business together along with my son and with Talon. We were contacted by one of our long-term contractors, and he said, hey, I need some help with this. Can you come look at it? So we came, we priced out the job, and we said, okay, here's your price, and here's your price if we get all the stuff that we can salvage out of here. So what we're pulling out of here are all the hurricane windows, hurricane doors, the hurricane sliders, 3 or 4 kitchens, all the granite, the shower doors, the vanities, vanity tops, $10,000 worth of Trex that I can sell. This was a timeshare. It is, it's destroyed. We've been doing this together for what, 3 years now? So Angie oversees the warehouse and pricing and making sure that everything gets on. It's a big task. Figuring out what it's worth, putting it on, making sure the sales are completed properly, making sure the money comes in properly. She's a early riser, gets here before anybody else. She does a lot in a day. So this flooring right here, this is Trex. It's basically, it's a plastic wood. And the Sanibel condominium that we're tearing down, that complex, it had a bunch of it. How many square foot we have here, but we have good luck selling Trex. We had like 5,000 square feet of it earlier this year, and we sold all of it and got good money for it. So Angie, what do you think? What do you think we should ask for this? Do you have any idea? I don't either.
I don't have any
idea. A 20-foot section of this is going to be like almost $100.
Start off with this with being $44.99.
For all of it?
For all of it.
Okay.
What are you thinking?
I think we should ask $5,000 for all of it. It's already been cut at a certain price, so $49.99. That's where we're going to start, and we'll see where we get. So this is what it looks like. It's obviously going to have to be cleaned. Sometimes stuff like this you have to lightly sand it, get it clean enough. But this was installed for maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 years or 15 years, and it came up really nice. We have cleaners, really strong cleaners, and most likely it'll clean right up. If it cleans right up, what you do is you go ahead and lay your floor, and then you clean it after you're done. It's not very hard to do. Out of the same job, I think we got like 6 or 7 of these microwaves, so we're asking $150 for them. These are 3 of the refrigerators. We sold a bunch of them already. They're pretty nice fridges, but they were on the 2nd floor of that condo. They can get affected by the water. Manufactured in 2 of 17, so they're not crazy old. After looking them up on Home Depot, they would be about $1,000 brand new. A lot of times when we're doing stuff like this, if it's like new condition, we'll ask a little bit more than a third, but on these, we're gonna ask $499 for them. All right. Okay, these are kitchen cabinet sets that came out of the condo on Sanibel as well. So each set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces with the top. They're small sets. They're an up-to-date color. I don't know, what do you think we could get out of these, Angie? So what do you think? So probably $1,000 a piece. So we're gonna ask $1,000 a piece. We have 5 sets of these. So we have about 5 sets of those. So that's what we're gonna do on these. Okay, so these are the windows that came back from the Sanibel tear down, that complex. We have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there's 10. Let's say there's 12 of them at $299. Angie just looked them up on Home Depot. You can buy these for $399. So we're gonna ask $150 for them, okay? We got these smaller windows that were in the bathrooms. We're asking $199 for them. It's important when you're selling stuff, if you put things in the position, what happens is people will look at that and they'll say there's something wrong with that window, and they won't be able to figure out what it is, the do-it-yourselfers. A lot of people don't have construction experience. So when you're selling stuff, if you set it in the position that it's gonna look normal as if it's installed, it makes it easier to sell things. So that's one of the lessons that we've learned. We used to learn it with mattresses. You put a mattress on the floor, on a piece of carpet in a normal position, it would sell. If we leaned it against the wall and took the pictures of it, wouldn't sell. Same thing with the kitchen cabinet sets. If we set them up nicely, put them in a good position, they sell. If we don't, they don't sell as easily. There's just some more of the windows we got from the condo complex on Sanibel. So these windows will be probably about $500, $550, $600 for new. So we're gonna ask $299 for these, okay? Okay, more windows from the same condo complex. Yeah, they're in pretty good shape. They're in good condition. So, and this is a pretty standard size, so it makes it a lot easier. If you buy something like this from Home Depot, it's going to take you, they're more or less going to be custom. It's going to take, 6 weeks to get them. What are you thinking, Angie? What do you think we should ask for these?
$3.99.
$3.99?
I'd do another $100.
Because they're a little bit bigger?
A little bit bigger.
More windows from the Sanibel condo job. So these, what are you thinking on these?
$4.99.
Okay. What do you think they would cost new? Probably $600?
I was thinking more probably $1,000.
Let's ask $4.99 for these. So these are also the same windows. These are PGT windows, same place. They come in from the same place, and they're a little bit smaller, so they would be, $300-400 new at Home Depot. So we're thinking 150, 190. Let's try them 199. Okay, these doors right here, these came from that same complex. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. I know there's 5, 6. I know we got like 7. We might even have 10 sets of these, okay? So these are hurricane impact slider doors. They're a 3-door system. They were on that building on Sanibel as well. These we're gonna ask $39.99 for them. I'm not sure what they probably would be somewhere in the neighborhood of 7 to 10 grand brand new. I know I'm messing all everybody's tape
Yeah,
up.
I know you are. You're putting the right tickets on the right windows.
What do you think? You think I am? Okay, shower doors. We got like 10 or 15 sets out of this condo project on Sanibel that we're tearing down. What do you think they are brand new?
$700 or more.
Yeah, at Home Depot, they'd be about $700. So this is it's the brushed nickel, which is in style, frosted glass, which people like. It's tempered glass. They're not too terribly old, and we got all the parts to them. So we're gonna ask a measly $199 for them. It's a good deal. We looked the doors up. When you looked the doors up, how much were they?
$800.
Like $800 something. So we are putting the doors with the lights in them. We're gonna put them on for $274. And again, I got about 10 of these. We ended up getting 20 of these tops. These tops would be, what do you think they would cost new? Probably at least $600-700, right?
At least if you're
Probably
plus
more.
the sink and the faucet.
But we're gonna ask $299 for them. We ended up getting 20 of them. Okay.
20. So if you need 20, come see us. We'll make you a good deal on them.
Holy mackerel! And I haven't even seen the end of what you got there.
Let's make a deal.
That's right.
Is that more of that Trex?
Yes. Let's go look at it. Let's go see how much more Trex we got. This is what it's going to look like when it cleans up. It'll clean up pretty good.
Man, yeah, this is nice.
So
nice.
it's actually textured too, so that's a more expensive
Yep.
grade, and it's got these ribs in the back, which makes it a little bit more durable. So these were on the outside, on both sides, upstairs and downstairs of the condo complex on Sanibel. And I think we should ask for $4,000 for this pile. What are you thinking?
That's where we're going to start until I get it cleaned up and actually see how much we have. Then the price may go up.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, now to recap everything that we got going on here, this is a pretty big deal for us. This is a lot of stuff that we get to repurpose. So the microwaves, we've got 10 of those at $100 a piece, so you're talking $1,500. The refrigerators, we got 10 of those, $499, so $49.99. Got 5 kitchen cabinet sets. That includes the cabinets and the top, asking $1,000 a piece, so that's a total of $5,000. They're little windows that were in the bedrooms, $150 each, times 12 is $1,800. The bath windows, we have 12 of them at $199 a piece at $2,388. These front windows, we have a total of 12 of them. That makes a total of $35.88. The large windows, we have 15 of those, and that's $59.88. So this is adding up pretty quick. The 3 split windows, we have 10 at $499 each, so $49.99. The PGT windows, we have a total of 12 of them at $150 a piece, so that's $1,800. We have 10 sets of Hurricane sliders. We're asking $39.99 for them, would equal to $39,990. Shower doors, we're asking $199. We have 15 sets of them, $29.85. The front doors, we have 10 of them at $274 a piece, that's $27.40. The granite vanity tops, we ended up getting 20 of those. We got 20 because there was a bunch of those downstairs as well, and the hurricane doesn't hurt the granite. It's at $299, that's $59.80. The Trex, got Trex on both sides of the building. This side is $4,000, the other side are $49.99. So a total of $89.99 for the Trex. So the grand total being $92,655 in potential profit. If you add in all the other things that we don't have in here, which is the furniture and a bunch of knickknacks and chairs and all kinds of crazy stuff that we get, we're in excess of $100,000. Dave and Angie Lockwood, Remove It Pros Demolition. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe, leave us a like, and we'll see you on the next video.
See ya.